Are you ready to embark on an exciting welding project at both fun and functional? In this video, we are joining to explore a creative welding idea that's perfect for beginners and experienced welders alike who have crafting one of kits custom-made fire pit. Not only while this project on your welding skills, but it also provides you can with stunning addition to your outdoor space that ensure to impress your friend and family. We will walk you through the entire process from selecting the right materials and tools, step by step welding techniques, installing masterpieces. Look on further. We are going to explore exciting project creating custom steel and wood coffee table with industrial twist. This project is perfect for intermediate welder who want to own their welding techniques while proceeding functional and stylish pieces furniture. We guide you. Today we are going to explore the innovative idea that not only owns to welding skills but also result to stunning and useful pieces of art. We are going to craft custom steel coffee table with modern industrial design. This project is perfect for both beginners and experienced welders, offering an excellent opportunity to showcase to talent and create unique pieces of furniture for your home. Join us while Jean guide you through entire process from selecting we will explore some fantastic welding project ideas that will ignite your imagination and provide owners to enjoyable work for crafting custom metal furniture and garden clubs to building materials items like tools, track and BBQ pits. We have to co-discover act project to cater to your interest with skill level. Either you are noise welder looking to beginner friendly project for scenes, pro seeking to a new challenge for carefully craft has something for anyone. So grab your welding gear, let's dive into the exciting water welding project. It is about crafting masterpieces with metal. We have explored a fantastic idea to combine artistry and functionality, a custom design metal garden gate. The project not only enhanced the aesthetic appeal to your outdoor space, it also provides quality and privacy. Would guide you through the entire process from selecting the right materials and tools to integrate welding techniques needed to fashion and execute site at unequally you so grab your welding gear, let's get into the world of metalwork gate, turning garden gate that leave you the guest in awe. We will explore a fantastic idea that not only fun but also far be choosing basic welding techniques and readily available material. This project not only owns welding skills but also results of beautiful addition, how you outdoor space, perfect for gathering with friends and family. So whether you are welding here, prepare your workspace and let's dive into the exciting welding project that promises both a great learning experience and unique addition to your home. This project offers a unique blend of creativity and practically making it ideal choice to welding enthusiasts with step-by-step instruction of insightful tips will guide you through the process of designing, miring, cutting, and welding to function. You have your own garden gate Hot not only you to learn valuable welding techniques but also gain sustainable, combining to beautiful functional addition to your outdoor space. So grab your welding gear, let your artist prepare and let's get started on this exciting and fulfilled welding project. The process of crafting and style study outdoor fire used basic welding techniques and readily valuable materials. This project not only owns your welding skills but also result in beautiful addition to your outdoor space. Perfect for gathering with friends and family. So gear with welding gear, prepare your workspace and let's dive into the exciting welding project that promises both a great learning experience to unique addition to your home. We'll be focusing on creating sturdy and visually appealing through to garden gate this project offering a unique blend of creativity and practically making it an ideal choice for welding enthusiasts with step-by-step instruction and insightful tips who will guide you through the process of designing, miring, cutting, welding, finishing your own not only your valuable welding techniques but also gain your satisfaction completing a beautiful and functional addition to your outdoor space. Welding project idea that not only tones to welding skills but also lets your creativity source whether you are seen welder looking a new challenge and beginner scared to dive into the world of metalwork. This project is perfect for you. You will guide you how you through every step, providing two and tricks along the way, making the entire process smooth and enjoyable. You have not only stunning pieces of metal but art but also newfound appreciation for the art of welding. So here you gather your welding tools and let's bring of captivating project of life. That shows you ignite your creative spark. Today video we have going to show how to craft stunning and functional metal garden trails. The project is perfect for both beginners and experienced welder. Art combines essential welding techniques with a touch of artistic flair. With step-by-step instruction, we will guide you through the entire process from selecting the right material and tools of welding and shaping the trails into the elegant designs that will enhance the beauty of your garden. So grab your safety gear, fire up your welding machines and let transform raw material not work for art that not only sport for combining plate but also showcase your welding skills. Do not forget to these project design challenge inspire you crafting stunning metal art pieces that will be heavy to find to building to practical and study workbench for your crafts. You have got to welding project ideas that will not only enhance your welding abilities but also leave your sense accomplishment. So grab your welding